Hopefully by now you've realised that to design a great app, you don't need to be a tech wizard. You simply need to understand what people want.
And we're talking about a specific part of what people want. In particular, what they're going to expect your app to do the first time they pick it up.
This is an instruction manual from a 1987 program called MS-DOS. It's a fascinating read if you're a computer programmer from 1987. And no one reads manuals these days. So you're going to need to keep things intuitive.
And the best way to keep things intuitive is to help your user feel at home the first time they use your app. Kind of like the way you feel when you walk into your home. It's not like you're asking people where the fridge is or wondering where someone's put your bed.
The best way to make first-time users feel at home is to follow the norms.
People have certain expectations about how sliders should slide and tickers should tick and on-off buttons should really feel.
Users expect that if they do this gesture, it'll zoom in.
And that if they touch a hamburger icon, certain things will happen.
Now let's explore all of this with a real-world app. There's a great one out there from the ADAPPT class of 2013. It's called Hey Buddy, and it helps connect people who need help with those who can offer it. The team came up with the idea after one of the designers, Nat, got locked out of her car one afternoon. But Nat began to wonder, how might we use smartphone technology to connect people who need help with those who can offer it?
So now, we're going to put ourselves in the shoes of the Hey Buddy designers and try and put together a prototype. Now don't freak out. You don't have to be some kind of tech whiz or have specific software to do so. You just need something to write on, and Nish is going to show us how with a couple of pretty pictures.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty.
So, we want our users to connect with people, so we need them to register. So that means on screen 1, we probably need some kind of login. But what kind of login? How do people log in? Facebook, email, some other way. Screen 2, you probably want to know who can give help or who can get help. So how do we do that? Now we want to see what kind of help they can give, right? So do we create a big list of all the help requests we have, or just the help requests near me, or just the recent ones, or just your friends? Now we want people to see what kind of help they can give or get, right? What does it look like when I put up a request for help? Do I say when I need it, and how do I choose who sees my request? Okay, so if someone has offered help, where does it then take them? Maybe it's a message system, or do I see a profile of the person who's helping? Now, you can head to the Google Play Store to download this Android app and see how they actually did it. And while you're there, you might want to offer someone some help.
So can you pull out some pen and some paper, step into the shoes of your users, and start designing your app? Yes, you can. Start now.
So before you go, remember, keep things intuitive. People should feel like they already know how to use your app on the first time.
When it comes to app design, you don't need any special software or special skills, just a bit of imagination. You already know how to do this.
Enough talking. It's prototype time.